Palantir Technologies Inc. is a data analytics and artificial intelligence company specializing in government and commercial applications. Founded in 2003, Palantir initially focused on national security before expanding its solutions to the private sector. The company has seen substantial revenue growth and an increasing market presence, driven by its advanced software platforms, Palantir Gotham, Foundry, and Apollo. As of early 2025, Palantir's stock is trading at approximately 84.40 sounds, reflecting a 1.15% gain from the previous trading session. The stock has had a volatile ride, with strong bullish trends over the past year, but also significant pullbacks, creating an interesting opportunity for investors. In this report, we will analyze Palantir's financials, specifically its cash flow position, and assess whether the stock is a buy, hold, or sell at current levels. Palantir has demonstrated impressive revenue growth over the years. The company reported $2.23 billion in revenue for FY 2024, a year-over-year increase of 19.5%. This growth is primarily driven by 1. Increased government contracts with the US Department of Defense and other global agencies. 2. Expanding commercial sector partnerships, particularly in healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. 3. The rise of artificial intelligence, AI, applications, where Palantir is a key player. Palantir has made significant improvements in its ability to generate cash from operations. In FY 2024, the company reported an operating cash flow of $1.154 billion, which represents a 62.02% year-over-year increase. This sharp growth highlights improved profitability and efficiency in the company's business model. Palantir's free cash flow, FCF, has also strengthened, reaching $1.141 billion in FY 2024, marking an increase of 63.72% compared to the previous year. The company's free cash flow margin has improved significantly, rising from 31.33% in FY 2023 to 39.83% in FY 2024. This indicates Palantir's ability to generate excess cash after capital expenditures, reinforcing its financial flexibility and investment potential. Palantir has managed to maintain low capital expenditures while continuing to grow its business. The company's balance sheet remains strong, with over $3 billion in cash and equivalents, and little debt, reducing financial risk and enhancing its ability to invest in future growth initiatives. Bull case: why Palantir is a buy. 1. Strong demand for AI-driven data analytics. Palantir's AI-powered platforms have positioned the company as a leader in big data analytics. Its AIP, artificial intelligence platform, is becoming an essential tool for enterprises and governments managing vast datasets. As AI adoption accelerates, Palantir is expected to see continued demand growth. 2. Government and defense contracts. Palantir's government contracts provide a stable revenue stream. The US Department of Defense and intelligence agencies heavily rely on Palantir's software for national security and defense operations. This ensures long-term revenue stability. 3. Commercial expansion and profitability. While Palantir's early business model relied heavily on government contracts, the company has rapidly expanded its commercial segment, which now accounts for 60% of total revenue. The company has also achieved GAAP profitability, reducing concerns about unsustainable growth. 4. Analysts' optimistic price targets. Wedbush analysts recently rated Palantir as outperform, with a price target of $120, representing a potential 33% gain from current levels. This bullish sentiment is based on expected revenue growth and margin expansion. Bear case: risks to consider. 1. Valuation concerns. Palantir is trading at a high price-to-earnings (PE) ratio, making it vulnerable to corrections if growth slows. Investors should consider whether its premium valuation is justified by its future earnings potential. 2. Dependence on government contracts. While Palantir is diversifying into commercial markets, a significant portion of its revenue still comes from government agencies. Any reduction in federal IT spending could negatively impact its growth. 3. Competition in AI and big data. The AI and big data analytics market is highly competitive, with companies like Snowflake, Databricks, and Microsoft also vying for market share. Palantir must continue innovating to maintain its leadership. Price targets for 2025 and beyond. Based on current market trends and financial performance, here are 3 possible price scenarios for Palantir stock. 1. Bear case, $60, $70. 1. Possible if growth slows, government spending declines, or broader market conditions deteriorate. 2. What would happen? Investors shift focus to more fairly valued tech stocks. 2. Base case, $100 to $120. 1. Possible if Palantir continues growing revenue at 15 to 20% annually and improves profit margins. 2. What would happen? Institutional investors recognize Palantir's long-term potential, driving stock appreciation. 3. Bull case, 150 plus. 1. Possible if AI-driven demand skyrockets and Palantir further expands its commercial sector dominance. 2. What would happen? The company solidifies its role as an industry leader, attracting long-term investors. By recommendation, should you invest in Palantir? Who should buy Palantir? Long-term growth investors looking for exposure to AI and data analytics. Risk-tolerant investors willing to handle volatility. Those who believe in Palantir's government and commercial market potential. Who should avoid Palantir? Short-term traders looking for stability in stock price movements. Investors who prefer dividend-paying stocks. Palantir does not pay dividends. Those concerned about high valuation risks. Final verdict, is Palantir a buy in 2025? 25. Given its strong financial performance, growing cash flow, expanding AI capabilities, and increasing adoption across multiple industries, Palantir appears to be a solid long-term investment. However, its premium valuation and government reliance pose some risks, requiring investors to approach with a long-term perspective. For investors who believe in AI, data analytics, and government technology spending, Palantir is a strong buy at current levels. Those concerned about volatility may consider waiting for pullbacks before adding to their positions. Final price target for 2025. Bear case, $60 to $70. Base case, $100 to $120. Bull case, $150 plus. What are your thoughts on Palantir? Is it a buy or hold for you? Let us know in the comments.